Welcome back, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Technical Fantasy. And in this video I am going to tell you about the problems related to the touch screen. We will how to find and fix problems with touch screen display. In these problems, either the touch screen become highly sensitive, means it is responding even without touching it. This is also called ghost touching. Or the touch screen may be unresponsive. How hard you will press, it will not respond. So in this tutorial we would address this issue and we will fix it. So before proceeding further, I would like to request you kindly subscribe the channel and press the subscribe button which is below the screen. So not wasting much of your time, let us go. So starting with dealing with this problem, first we need to ensure the display is completely clean. For cleaning purpose, we may use any gadget cleaner like Colin with microfiber cloth and wipe off the dust and grease if these are disturbing the touch of our mobile. So with any gadget cleaner, first we should clean thoroughly. So this is the first step we need to take. Secondly, there might be an issue with the screen guard. There may be cracks or air bubbles inside the screen guard. So we need to check it for smooth operations. We need to check it properly by turning off, and if there is any cracks, the air bubble will go there and touch will not work properly. So in case of cracks in screen guard, we need to replace it. This is the second. And then thirdly, if we have recently visited any swimming pool or there a rainy season and we went for walking into the rain, then there might be a possibility that moisture has entered inside the cracks, so or below the screen guard or in display. So let us unlock it. So this might be an issue. Moisture might be an issue. So what we need to do it, just wait, or we can put our mobile in bag of rice to vaporize moisture rapidly. So this is the third. Now we will look some hardware issue of the phone we need to address. So for this, in Samsung mobile, we will put star hash 0 star hash. So now we will go to some diagnostic screen. Here we can diagnose many things. In this tutorial, since we are looking for the display, so we will diagnose only the touch. As soon as we will touch, then this screen will appear. We need to go through all the blocks. We need to touch all the blocks. Might be not in one go. We can go in the separate mode also. As soon as if we are touching last block, the screen will go automatically back, and this is indicating that hardware is working properly. So this is the hardware issues. Now we will go and see some software settings. So going back, and we will go to the settings. We will go first to the display. Here in display, when we will scroll down, we will say the touch sensitivity. If our display is too sensitive, then we will touch it off. If it is unresponsive, then we can switch it on. We can also make it on at accidental touch protection. So this is about the display. Now coming back, we will go to the advanced feature, and here we will go to the motion gestures. Motion and gestures could be impacting how the apps will behave when they are getting launched. So if your phone is operating automatically, you might turn off some of these gestures. So this can be tested. So this, now coming back, we will go to the accessibility options. In accessibility options, there is one option, interaction and dexterity. Here there are many options which can be used in case of highly sensitive screen. We can ignore repeated touch. We can sticky key. We can make it on in case of unresponsive, and in case of highly sensitive screens, we can turn off and on different options. So this is about the accessibility. So at last, after doing that, we can switch and restart. Switching off and restarting the phone automatically resets many things in the phone, and this can always be done to get rid of any problem. So this is all about the tutorial. If you like this, please share with your friends and kindly consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.